Excel has a number of different views that are built in. When you open a new spreadsheet, the view that you see is what's called normal view. This is the most common one that you should be using. You'll also have the page break view. If you select this option, you'll see that Excel will break your spreadsheet into the pages that it's printed on. It won't have any extra cells. If you select the page layout option, you'll see how your spreadsheet will look when it's printed. This includes the headers and the footers. You can zoom in and out on your spreadsheet by using the zoom function. You can find this in the View tab in the zoom option, or by sliding the bar at the bottom right of your screen. Lastly, we have the Freeze Panes option. Imagine that your spreadsheet has a lot of data in it, and the further you scroll down, the further away you are from the column headings. You might forget what information is in that column. You can freeze the column headings so that they'll always appear at the top of your screen, or you can freeze the row 1 so it'll always appear at the left of your screen. To do this, find the View tab and select the Freeze Panes dropdown. Select Freeze Top Row for the top row and Freeze First Column for the first column. You can manually select other panes to freeze by highlighting a column or a row and then selecting Freeze Panes.